Wood Nation, what's going on, bros and bros? Look, man, this is Wood Jr. I trust all is well. What you want to say to Wood Nation, man?
Hey, man, just keep doing what y'all doing, man. Enjoy this motorcycle life, and read up if you can.
Hey, put the camera on my back. Let me see that eagle on there. Show that eagle.
Oh yeah, that's the black eagle. You got the black eagle on there. That's that new vanishing eagle. Vanishing eagle.
Hey, it's camouflage. It's still
the vanishing eagle back here.
Okay, man, that looks good.
I was dealing with a customer the other day, and he asks me, tells me, well, you know, the other brand of motorcycle, the first, they got LED this and LED that, you know, and they come stock with it. And I said, fair. I said, but now, case in point, I got an $800 LED up here.
Wow.
I got almost $1,600 worth of LEDs in those running lights.
Yeah.
I said, so now we can agree that I've raised the price of this bike almost $3 grand. Okay. I said, so now take that other brand's bike back to regular bulbs. How cheap could you have gotten their bike?
It makes sense.
Elvis has left the building.
Elvis has left the building. Oh, yeah. Dude, that is way too cool, man. And then where's the number at? You said,
Right here.
look at this, bros and broettes. What? So that is number
898.
898. Over 900, bro. Can y'all see that, bro? Look at there. Oh my gosh, this is one of a kind here, man.
Check out this over here, bro. This is brass.
Oh my gosh. Bro, Harley Davidson, man. For the win. Bro. Harley Davidson for the win. Yeah, this is nice, man. Those pipes on the back, I've never seen anything like that, bro.
It's a 2013.
This is a 2013. Oh, wow. Man, what kind of pipes are these, man? I like those, bro. man. The president of Rare Breed Savannah, man. Look at this bike, bro. What years again, Mel?
I saw 22.
Look at that, y'all, at 22. Hey, he got all the miles on it. Somebody ain't got nothing but a few thousand miles. Hey, man, Breed, that's how Breed talk, man. That's how Breed talk, man.
I got a couple of miles on it.
Ooh, we limited. Come on, y'all. Man, that looks good, man. That looks good.
Yeah. I already got my bars and everything. I just got to take it up. My homeboy put them on.
Oh, so you gonna do pullbacks?
Yeah, I got 20s.
Oh, he gonna do the 20s. He gonna do the 20s, y'all. Hey, so for those of us, the 20s that come all the way back like this, are they gonna be like spread wide or kind of?
Spread to come back, yeah.
You're the president of Rare Breed, so let me ask you this. Y'all do a lot of riding.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts about the 21-inch wheel in the front? Can you still ride long distance like that and be comfortable?
Yeah, you can ride with a 21. You know?
Okay.
And like when we first came in, the old school in Atlanta told us stop in stop. So you gotta remember the stop is in stop. If you go up to a bigger rim, you never know when you're out there in the middle of nowhere.
Oh.
You might can't find a rim, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
So I always remember that stock and stop. So that's why I try to keep the stock rims on it.
See, I never see. Man, there y'all go. That's the inside right there. Don't let them fool y'all, man. I'm telling you, man. Hey, they ride that left lane for a reason. Blessings, man, for real, man. Ah, man. Yes, sir. Rare Breed right there. Y'all look at that eagle, man. Ah.
So to set your clock on your older radio, this is pre-14, so 13 and newer. If it's this style radio, when you turn the bike on, and now this clock is going to be set right, but you'll see you turn the bike on, and let's say we just went to normal time and we got to fall back an hour.
Yeah.
So it says 3:52, but let's say it said 4:52 or whatever. Turn the radio off. You get off, and then you get a set button, which is number 6. And then you get plus or minus 1 and 2 for the hour. It says hours plus or minus. It says minutes plus or minus. It already timed out, so you just hit it again. And then you can plus it up. Now it says 4:52, but we 3:52. And then you set your minutes. And then when you're done, just hit OK. And then turn the radio on. And then your time is set.
See, you're a lot on YouTube. I just realized that, yeah. Because, I mean, y'all be going across country.
Yeah, we do. Yes, sir.
Baby, I see this guy all the time on YouTube. What?
Yes, sir. That's my bike right there, that white one. Yes, sir.
Man, I have seen that right there. I'm telling you, man. They be stopping at gas stations and stuff.
Yep.
And he just had a float. I
you
seen it
did?
to you
Yes,
know. Okay, yeah, man, put that on YouTube.
Thank you, man. What's your name?
Johnny.
Johnny. Wood Nation Bros and Brewers. Check this out, man. I just ran into a gentleman named Johnny, man. Awesome guy. Johnny, can you tell us about your bike, man?
2017 Street Glide.
Look at this, y'all.
I had Savannah Harley-Davidson do some weight to it for me.
Look, y'all, Savannah Harley-Davidson did all of this, man. So I'm telling you, man, these guys are stock and custom. Hey, now, how's it ride, Johnny? Tell them how's it ride.
Ride like a Cadillac, man. It just hugs the road, man. It hugs the road. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, hugs the road.
Oh my God! You say this is a tree or something they put in the front, like an extension?
They
or?
put the boat on triple tree on it.
Oh.
Here's the boat on triple tree.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got you.
Boat on, that's a boat on triple tree net. They put that on there to keep from cutting the frames, you know. Yeah.
Wow.
That's the rake I put the wheel to get on.
And it rides smooth too?
She hugs the road real good, man.
Really? Look at this, y'all. This
All
is a
of them put a low
blessing.
profile tire, you know.
Wow. Hey, well, what inch is this again?
It's a 107,
No, like the, what size of tire? I'm sorry.
26.
Y'all, this
Snowflake.
is 26 snowflake. Man, this is a blessing. A 26-inch snowflake. Oh my Lord. Man, this is beautiful. Can we hear it, man? Oh, man, look, y'all, he even got the helmet to match, man. Look at the jacket, y'all. Oh my
You got
God.
the 120th anniversary.
What? Now, how do you feel as a passenger on here?
I feel safe. It's a good ride.
Wow, see, man, this is awesome, man. Oh, come on.
Those are neighbor haters.
Ooh-wee. Those are neighbor haters?
Neighbor haters.
Neighbor haters, oh man. Oh, man. autograph. Bro, this is all right. Look at this. And you say you still gonna do some more work too? What you gonna do to it now, Joe?
I'm finna take it to Charlotte and then put the electric kickstand on that front and back air ride system.
Woo!
No, I'm not through with it. They're gonna upgrade the stereo for me.
Really?
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Just have fun, live your life.
I did everything on the back myself. I got a lowering kit on the back right now.
Oh, really?
I got a lowering kit on the back. Yeah, a lowering kit. I went to Atlanta and got a lowering kit, dropped it down 2 more inches.
Oh! And you ride this on the highway, y'all just cruise.
And we always put custom.
Really? And you really cool? That's what,
We
man.
went to North Myrtle Beach a couple weeks ago.
On here?
Yeah, go here around.
Oh my
I got
God.
different attachments. You know, I got the tour pack. I got the passenger back passenger. I
Yeah.
took some of that off and they take some of the weight off the front. You know?
Wow, and this seat's okay? It's kind of comfortable?
Yeah, it is.
Man, look at this. I mean, the clean boots. Man, y'all got it, man. I got to give you another helmet now.
You got a nice, what's that road glass you got?
No, man, I got
What's that?
to. It's a Street Glide special.
Oh yeah, you got the right one.
I ain't got a
You
chrome helmet though. Wood Nation bros and broettes, man. Y'all showed them some love, man. And he got his music. Oh, come on, man. Woo. Come on now.
Wood Nation.
Blessings, brother. Bros and bros, that's what I'm talking about, man. Never put an age on having fun. Never put an age on having fun. Have fun.